Hello little artists, today, we're going to draw a cheerful monkey popping out of a big banana. He's waving and ready for fun. Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Let's start with the monkey's head, round with two big ears. Add two big eyes, a little nose, and a happy smile. Now draw the arms, one resting on the banana and one waving. Next, draw the big banana around the monkey. Make sure to add the curved peel flaps on both sides. Add some lines for the banana texture and a little stem at the bottom. Our monkey looks like he just jumped out of his favorite snack. Look at your monkey banana buddy. He's ready to giggle and go exploring. Let's color the monkey brown with light beige for the face and belly. Add pink cheeks and inside the ears. Color the banana bright yellow on the outside and pale yellow for the inside peel. You can even add a jungle background or other fruit friends. Your monkey in a banana looks super cute and full of joy. And we're all done! You just drew a happy monkey in a banana. Great job, artist! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hello little artists, today, we're going to draw a friendly dragon holding a giant donut. He's happy, sweet, and ready for a tasty adventure. Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Start with the dragon's head, round with two horns, big eyes, and a smile. Add some teeth and a long neck. Now draw the body with little arms holding a big donut. Make the donut round with a hole in the middle. Add dripping icing on top and tiny sprinkles all over. Now draw the dragon's legs and a long tail curling around. Don't forget the spikes down the back and on the tail. Our dragon looks happy and ready to take a big bite. Look at your donut dragon. He's sweet, silly, and totally awesome. Let's color the dragon green with yellow spikes and a light belly. The donut can be orange with pink frosting. Add colorful sprinkles in blue, yellow, and purple. You can also draw stars, clouds, or even more desserts around him. Your donut dragon looks delicious and full of magic. And now we're done. You just drew a dragon with a giant donut. Great work, artist!